I use this small Natasha Denona palette called Peak. It's very red toned. It's like brick red, this matte white, this deep chocolate brown, then this like pink red, and this beautiful shimmer. So I just created a halo look using this palette. I was very pleased with how blendable these shadows were. The shimmer is super intense. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to apply this shade Luna Magic, like a small eyeshadow shading brush. I'm going to apply that into like a halo. Like out here. And here. So nice. And I'm just going to bring it up and connect them. That was so easy because these shades are just so blendable. Like, look how easy that was for me. I also changed my brush to go side to side. I mean, that concealer is like really creasing right there. Huh. Like that. Just gonna go back in with this shade, same brush, and I'm just gonna tap it just so I can have more pigment here. And then again, just building it up, blending it out. So then on a really small JH39 by Morphe, I'm gonna go with the shade. I'm gonna go with the shade Thorn, which is that darker brown shade. I'm gonna tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna slowly just bring that into the outer corner. Inner corner. This takes a long process. You're just slowly adding pigment on the brush tapping into the inner and outer corners and just working it out. And there is some fallout down here on my cheek. Brush, just slowly blend it out. In with the shimmer in the palette on my finger, I'm just going to tap that into the center. And blend it out. Like that. Such a super pigmented, beautiful, shimmery glitter shade. Very, very light-handed because it's so pigmented. And with that lighter pink, brown, orange shade, I'm just gonna blend those edges. Then I'm going back in with the dark brown just to blend this around. Just like that. It's Luna Magic brush in that pinkish brown shade. I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. Pretty much doing the same thing that we did on the top on bottom. And with the JH39 in that brown shade, I'm gonna blend it in the outer area and the inner. And with the shimmer shade, and I'm going to tap that underneath. I'm gonna go with this dual-ended Tartist pencil and liquid eyeliner. Create a wing. It was super, super ridiculously easy. I'm going to apply the pencil to the bottom lash line. A pencil brush, I'm gonna just take this Ofra highlight and highlight my inner corner. To apply some Tarte Man Eater mascara. It's Ardell Wispies.